Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and customize transactional emails on Shopify, including the all-important order confirmation email. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your store's emails look professional, match your brand, and truly reassure your customers with each purchase. Let's dive right in. This process isn't complicated, but knowing a few key tips will help you get the most from it. First, you want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Settings tab, which is usually down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Settings is really the nerve center for your store. Almost every customization starts here. Go ahead and click on Settings, and you'll land on a page with lots of options for managing your store. What we're interested in today is notifications, so select that from the list. Now, notifications on Shopify cover all the automated messages your store sends to customers. Things like order confirmation, shipping updates, and even password resets. For this guide, let's focus specifically on the Customer Notifications section. Scroll until you find Customer Notifications, and then look for Order Confirmation. This is the email your customers get immediately after they place an order. You want this message to feel clear, reassuring, and on brand, because it's a key moment in your customer's journey. To make changes, click on Order Confirmation. You'll see an Edit Code option. This is where you can tweak the message itself if you want to get hands-on and adjust the wording, add extra information, or change how the message is presented. Don't worry if you're not familiar with HTML or Liquid. The editing pane is pretty straightforward. Here's a tip. Even small changes, like clarifying your shipping timeline or adding a friendly thank you note, can make a big impact on how your customers feel about shopping with you. Take your time and don't feel rushed. There's no harm in experimenting with wording. If you make a mistake, you can always revert back. But what really makes your emails pop is bringing your brand's identity into them. Shopify makes this super easy. Just look for the button labeled Customize Email Templates. Clicking this opens up a visual editor where you can upload your store's logo and adjust the color scheme to match your brand colors. Think of this as dressing up your email for your customer, making it feel consistent from your website all the way through to their inbox. For example, if your shop uses a calming blue and crisp white, set those colors here. Your customers will immediately recognize your store, and that builds trust. As you're working, preview your changes to make sure everything looks the way you want. Sometimes what looks good to you in the editor might appear differently in email clients, so double-check your logo size and colors. If you're happy with the look and wording, go ahead and hit Save. This makes your changes live, and every new order confirmation email will use your new template from now on. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up and personalized transactional emails on Shopify. This might seem simple, but those little custom touches can make a world of difference in how your customers perceive your business. If you ever want to update your branding or messaging again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about customizing Shopify emails or anything else, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful tutorials just like this. See you next time.